Register storage class. The features of variable defined to be register storage class are as under. So register storage class has some features. First, storage CPU registers. Default initial value, garbage value. That means it is a random value. That is garbage value. Now scope. Local to block in which variable is defined. So it is used in a block in which variable is defined. Life. Till control remains within block in which variable is defined. So it works until works within the block in which variable is defined. A value stored in a CPU register can always be accessed faster than one that is stored in memory. So a value which is stored in CPU register is accessed faster than which is stored in a memory. Therefore, if a variable is used at many places in program, it is better to declare its storage class. So if one variable is used many times in a program, so it is better to declare its storage class as register A. So declaring first storage class is is better. A good example of frequently used variable is loop counters. So loop counters is frequently used. We can name their storage class as register. So loop counters are frequently used. Now example, main register int. So this is a sample program. Register int I for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 10, I plus plus, printf /n %d comma I. So %d is used for here, even though we have declared the storage class of I. So as a integer, register integer, we have declared storage class of I as register. We cannot say for sure that value of I would be stored in a CPU register. So we are not sure here that we have declared it as a register, but we are not sure that it will be actually stored in CPU register. But why? Because the number of CPU registers are limited. So numbers are limited, CPU registers are limited, and they may be busy doing some other task. So number of CPU registers are limited and they are busy doing some other task. What happens in such an event? The variable works as if its storage class is auto. So variable is working as its storage class is auto. Not every type of variable can be stored in a CPU register. For example, if the microprocessor has 16-bit registers, then they cannot hold a float value or double value, which requires 4 and 8 bytes respectively. So float and double values are requiring 4 and 8 bytes respectively. However, if you use register storage class for float or a double, so for however if you are using register storage class for a float or a double variable, you won't get any error messages. All that would happen is the compiler would treat the variable to be auto storage class. So compiler is treating variables as auto storage class.